I made this wooden dagger, and I'm going to show you how I did it using leopardwood, zebrawood, and cherry. And I'm going to give away these mini knives as a gift to a subscriber. Check out this crosscut slit I made. This is a game changer. I'm using it to cut the leopardwood to 11.5 inches. This will be the entire length of the dagger. I'm ripping that piece down to 1.25 inches. This will be the widest part of the blade and handle. I designed a template that I'm tracing onto the leopardwood. Later I'll trace the handle template onto zebrawood and sandwich the blade. Then I'll do the same with the guard. I'm measuring the guard out 3 times because I'm going to stack them, then cut it in half so I can sandwich it over the blade. I'm going to cut 4 inches off this piece of zebrawood and then split it in 2. These will be the knife scales I shape into the handle. I used my bandsaw to cut out the traced blade, leaving room to perfect it with the belt sander. I like using this method because it's easy to accidentally cut off more than you want with the bandsaw. At least for me, the sander gives me better precision. Here's everything laid out to give you a better idea of how it will all fit together. So here's the thing, I had a hard time trying to figure out how to get the guard on this dagger. I didn't quite think this through when I designed it. You'll see in a future dagger making video where I planned it out better, but I'll let you enjoy my struggle here. Since my guard was already stacked and glued together, I tried to chisel material out to the dimensions of the guard opening. Looks like it will fit, but then I thought to myself, how in the world am I supposed to get it on? My dog was obviously trying to warn me. My only option was just to continue working and hope an idea popped in my head. Plus, I really wanted to try out this new sander. So here was my solution. It wasn't pretty, but it was all I could think to do. At least I got to practice a little bit with my chisel. This was the first time it was starting to look like a dagger. Thanks so much for making it this far into my video. As promised, let's do the giveaway. I want to give this set of mini wood knives to someone who supports me. Here's how you can win. It's pretty easy. First thing you need to do is hit the thumbs up and like this video. Then subscribe if you haven't already. Finally, drop a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. I'll review the comments and pick a lucky winner, where I'll ask them to send me their address via email so that I can ship out the mini wood knives. I'll give them a day to respond, and if they don't, I'll pick someone else, so on and so forth.